Pathways at Goucher is a new optional fee-based mentoring program that provides cohort programming for any interested Goucher student. It's been intentionally designed to expose students to on-campus supports and wellness programs that aim to promote growth and develop habits. The program offers two pathways that are both individualized for different needs. Pathway 1, the Discovery Path. This program supports students with organizational needs through high-touch mentoring and accountability check-ins. The cost of this program is $2,500 per semester. At a minimum, this is an example of what a month would look like for a student in this program. Each week, when a student meets with a professional academic coach, secondary goals are also set that can include suggestions for the student to attend supplemental instruction or writing center sessions, peer coaching, office hours with their faculty, etc. When students then meet for their accountability sessions every other week, data is reviewed with them to determine when they showed up and further discussions about barriers to their goals. This data is also used to support students in seeing in real time how their choices reflect their outcomes. More information about the LL 110 Learning to Learn 110 class and what academic coaching sessions entail are linked on our Pathways website. The second pathway is designed to proactively support students with sensory needs through physical regulation practices. The overarching goal of this program is to expose students in a familiar and safe cohort to wellness programming on campus. The cost for this program is $1,250 per semester. This is an example of what a month would look like for a student in the program. This program does embed some organizational and motivational support components through body doubling and academic coaching. All wellness programming is not designed to make students comfortable, as they may be apprehensive to try something new. But the hope is even just one activity will have a lasting impact as a tool they can routinely access to support their physical regulation, which in turn supports their emotional regulation and focus. This program also includes an art program called Visual Thinking Workshop that exposes students to analytical thought through observation and the creation of art. These interpretations, when practiced, have been shown to transfer over into academia. For more information about the Pathways program and to apply, please visit www.goucher.edu/pathways. For specific questions, please email us at pathways@goucher.edu.